Welcome to Market Mornings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. My name is Robert J. Roy, and this update is for Thursday, December. We're here. It made it. We got there. December 1st, 2022. Hope you're having a great day. Hope it was a good trading day for you yesterday. Man, it was a great day to be in the market, that's for sure. Keep in mind, everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you like what you see, make sure you're following along with the various social platforms out there that we've got. Keep up to date with the latest and greatest on everything that we're doing day in and day out. All right, so with that, let's look first at Forex Factory and check out the economic reports today. We got core PCE. It's a big indicator for the Fed, and yesterday's whole move was based on the Fed, right? The press conference that Powell did yesterday, JP did yesterday. So you got PCE coming out at 8:30. PMI comes out at 10 o'clock. Purchasing Manager Index is PMI. Unemployment claims, we're not expecting much difference in there, but it's another one that we'll be hearing about today, right? So when we look at futures next, we had an amazing day yesterday. If you were in the market yesterday, it was hard to be wrong, right? It just was, unless you were bearish, okay? So, and you can see this was yesterday to the left of the vertical line, right? This was yesterday right here. And then we opened up, and we were looking at this last night in our Inner Circle meeting, which, by the way, multiple of our traders in Inner Circle last night were talking about how great of a day it was for them yesterday. So I'm stoked for how well everybody is doing in there. We had a little bit of a dip down, a little bit of a move up, and we kind of gave it back in the European market. And we've been a little sideways ever since. Okay, so overall right now we're down less than 1 on the ES, 40 on the Dow, 11 on the NASDAQ. We're up 5 on the RUT. We're over 17 grand on Bitcoin, and Ethereum is up to 1281, down 12 points. Gold is down 36 cents, and Earl is up another 94 cents. We're back at 81.5. China may not be as big of an issue as we originally thought. All right, so with that, let's go take a look at our candidates for today, and we're going to start off with Biogen. Now, they came out yesterday. They had, I think it was an upgrade originally we had on it. Yeah, they had an upgrade on Maintain the Buy. They also had some news out on their Alzheimer's drugs, which came out a little bit after I caught the upgrade for it. So it was a great move yesterday for them. They were up to 305 and jingle. If you took the credit spread on that, you did great on that one. Let me shift this over to less candidates. And on Biogen right now, they're up another $1.83. It's all on their Alzheimer's drug, guys. It was big activity last night. They were one of the bigger movers in the post-market yesterday. And they're moving again pre-market. So they're at 307 right now. So we're still bumping our head there. We're going to look at a bull put spread below not 100, but below 300. 300. Right. Next is Costco. C-O-S-T. Costco. They came out with their November sales numbers. You can see how great they did yesterday, right? It was an awesome move for them yesterday. And now today they're down $17. Why? They came out with November's numbers. Right? It was a great day for Costco yesterday with the $10 move. So they're only down $7 from where they were yesterday's close, previous day's close. So it's not that bad of a hit for them. But they're sitting right now at 521. Call it 522. So that puts us just above our 21 moving average. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 532. Which is our fib line right there, our 618, that purple line. Right. CRM, Salesforce, earnings numbers out, right? Or related to their earnings, I should say. And they're down about $12, 148.5, right? So they're down right kind of in the middle of this channel that we've got going on there. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 158 for a CRM. Then we go to 5, F-I-V-E. Right, alive at 5. If you live on Long Island and you know Patchogue and that, you'll know exactly what alive at 5 is. Or alive after 5. There's two different ones. Riverhead and Patchogue. Anyway, I digress. Overall, great pattern on 5. They raised their forecast. They're up today $14.50. Ka-ching, baby, right? 175 is their price right now. So taking the train. So we're at, let's see, that's not what I want to see. There we go. So we're about $12.50 on a Fibit, 68, 78, $18. So we need to split that level in half. So we're going to add our -136 and our 118 in our levels. And guys, if you're sitting here saying, wait, what is Rob doing there with splitting this stuff in half? Make sure you go over to tradinglikeaboss.com, guys. Everything that's on this page is free. There's no cost for any of these. You can download them, right? You've got Fibonacci, today's power indicator. Check that out. It's a 3-part series which will teach you exactly what it is that we do on Fibonacci's. So, did I not put them in? Let's try it one more time. I'm on the wrong side. It's an 882. Aha. There we go. 882. So we're sitting at 175. So we're just below that 177. We are looking at a bull put spread. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below, and we're sitting at 175, below 168. Now I need to back up a second. Costco is one of the stocks that are on my Power Option Plays list, right? It's our premier education for trading options. And this is a stock that I know intimately. So I'm going to put down, along with above 532 for the bear call spread, or a long option, which in this case would mean a long put. All right, next we're going to look at OKTA. OKTA is earnings. They are up $8 and almost $9 today to 62. Let's pull that puppy out just a little bit. Right? So if they're sitting at $62 right now, man, they really took the elevator up. Ka-ching. Right underneath that level. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 58. Below 58. Snowflake. Also earnings. They're down $9. They're sitting at 134, we'll call it right now. So how are we doing here? 26 to 40 is 14. Our number is 18. We don't need to split that level in half. So if we're sitting at 134 right now, we're going to look at a bear call spread above 140. And what I like about this is we already were in a bearish pattern, right? And even with the good news yesterday of the market, they couldn't get up above that moving average. And last is Splunk. This one's for you, Rick. Splunk right now, earnings also, they're up $6.32 to $84 even. Let me see a better looking picture here. Unscrunched. Okay. 66 to 85. That's it's actually 67 to 85. 18 points. It's definitely more than 8, right? So we need to split it in half. So let's do that. All right, let's go add a negative 136. Let's go add a 118. All right, so now if we're sitting at $84, we're up at that resistance level, right? So we blew through the moving averages and we got right up below that. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 76. It's kind of like, if you look at the moving averages, they're kind of like obstacles on an obstacle course. They're just things in the way, so more stuff to make it harder to get down below that 76 level. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see all of you tomorrow to wrap up the week. Take care now. See you then. Bye.